Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I'll be sharing a super cool new product that I got for the cats. It's not only for the cats though, and you'll see why in just a bit. I'll also be cooking up a little Sunday morning breakfast and doing some Sunday morning cleaning. And then I also want to show y'all this gift that I got for my great nephew who will be born any day now, and I'm so excited. But first, I'm going to show you what I got for the cats. Okay, fur baby mamas and daddies, now I want to introduce you to one of the coolest products I've ever seen in my life. This product was sent in by VACLIFE, which I've mentioned before many times. They have some of the best cordless and handheld vacuums I've ever used, but they just came out with this new product and I've got to tell you, it's amazing. So I'm going to do a little unboxing first and then show you what it's all about. So this is the VACLIFE Pet Grooming Kit for pet hair trimming, grooming, and cleaning. Not only does this kit come with amazing attachments, it's actually a vacuum within itself. So this is the vacuum itself. It's the perfect size and it's lightweight. It has a carrying handle, and the clear part is the dust cup. That's where all of the hair goes. And then on the back is the off and on button, as well as the suction speed turner. So here are the attachments. It comes with a de-shedding brush, a 2-in-1 flat brush, a massage brush, a trimmer with all of the additional pieces, a grooming comb, a hair removal roller, and of course a user manual. And I also tried it out on my carpet, and I don't know if you noticed, but in the background you can see the vacuum, the little tank in there. You can see the hair just rolling around in there because it's sucking the hair up from the carpet. I also tested it out on the hoodie that I was wearing because you can't see this on camera, but it's covered in cat hair. You can see the results here in the roller brush. It picked up the cat hair from my jacket perfectly. So even though the girls are not crazy about it yet, I still wanted to test out the attachments, especially on Kiki because I feel like she has the most hair. And let me tell you, I was absolutely mind blown. I did not know that this amount of hair was actually on Kiki and that it could be removed that easily. You can see the results here. I could have made a whole new cat with the pile of hair that I brushed off of Kiki with that de-shedder attachment. So if you have any type of fur babies that need some type of grooming or de-shedding or trimming, this product would be perfect for you. I'm going to have it linked down below if you want to check it out. And I hope y'all enjoyed this portion of the video. I thought it was pretty fun. Okay, so now we are starting off this Sunday morning with a little breakfast. I'll be making air roasted bell peppers, air fried turkey bacon, and some scrambled eggs. I started off by cutting the bell peppers, but honestly that knife started working my nerves, so I decided to tear them apart instead. Doesn't really matter to me because I'm going to eat them anyway, so it's all good. For the turkey bacon, I'm seasoning that with a little bit of the chimichurri seasoning. Then I'm going to pop them in the air fryer along with the peppers. I was air roasting the peppers, but then I switched the option to air frying for the turkey bacon. They both can be air fried, but I didn't know if the turkey bacon would cook well with being air roasted. I had never tried that before, so I wasn't going to play around with it today. Then I cracked 2 eggs into the frying pan. I made this breakfast the other day, but I ended up making too many eggs and we were both overly stuffed with the amount of food I made. So 2 eggs is all we're doing today. And honestly, it ended up being just enough. Even though the plate looks like it was a small amount of food, it was still really filling.
Feels, babe. Won't you love me the old but kind of new way?
So then after breakfast, I took my vitamins. So I'm taking some collagen. This collagen also has hyaluronic acid. I'm also taking black seed oil and magnesium. I literally hate taking pills, by the way. I don't like it at all, and I am not a fan. I would rather some kind of gummies or chewies, but we're just gonna roll with it today. So now I'm filling up my big old water bottle that I got from Temu because honestly, this helps me to drink more water throughout the day. Plus, I literally love using this bottle. It has a built-in straw and it has the little strap on it, and I take it everywhere I go. It's my favorite as of right now. So now it's time to get a little cleaning done, and I'm not doing any major cleaning in here today, just some easy cleaning, and there's just a few things that needs to be done, like cleaning out this dishwasher, which I should have done yesterday, but honestly I was avoiding it because I can't stand emptying the dishwasher. I'm just gonna be honest, but I gotta get it done because there's dishes that's been sitting in the sink all night and it needs to be reloaded. So that's what I'm starting with this morning.
Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday.
So after cleaning out the dishwasher and reloading it, now I'm going to start wiping off the countertops, and I'm using Mr. Clean mixed with water yet again and some paper towels. I really need to buy some more cleaning rags because I'm using up all of my good sparkle paper towels for all of this cleaning. I usually have cleaning rags, but at the moment I don't, and I keep forgetting to grab some every time I go to the store.
Oh, baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
For my bathroom, I'm just going to put away a few things that was sitting on top of the counter, and then I'm going to wipe off the countertop and the sink. So now I'm putting our shoes away so I can vacuum the floor. I'm just going to be vacuuming the floor today. I'm not going to be doing any mopping because honestly, I am not feeling it today. I'm kind of tired and I feel really wore out from yesterday, so I'm taking it easy today with the cleaning. I can do all of that another day. It does not have to be done today. After vacuuming, I just fluffed the pillows real quick and folded the little throw blanket, and then I opened the window so that Miss Kiki could sit at the window and look out. It's one of her favorite things to do. And then I totally forgot about vacuuming the kitchen floor, so I did that as well. And that's the end of the cleaning portion of this video, and now I want to show y'all what I got for my great nephew. So I got this gift for my nephew's wife, who is about to have her first baby. I had never heard of anything like this before, so I thought it was a pretty neat thing. If you're having a baby or you know someone who is having a baby, this would be a great gift for them. It's called SenseU Smart Baby Monitor 3. They have another kit too, which comes with a camera, but my nephew and his wife live in a camper, so they won't be needing that, but I figured that this would be very useful for them. It helps to track the baby's abdominal movements, sleep position, and temperature from anywhere. It has real-time lights and sound notifications to let you know when something's happening to your baby. This kit includes the SenseU baby device and base station, a USB power cable, and the user manual. It connects to an app on your phone, so you'll be notified with any changes happening. It just clips to the front of the baby's diaper, and that's how it monitors the baby. It even notifies you if the baby happens to roll over on their stomach. You can check it out if you're interested in learning more about it. I'll have it linked down below in the description of this video. So anyways, this is the end of today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time.